In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a single chat in ChatGPT. If you want to clean up your chat history without removing everything, this is a quick and simple process. Deleting a single conversation can be helpful if you no longer need a specific thread, want to keep your sidebar organized, or just prefer a tidier workspace. To get started, go to ChatGPT and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're inside the main ChatGPT interface, take a moment to look around the screen so you know where everything is. The area we'll be working with is the left-hand sidebar, which is where your recent chats are listed. Now look on the left side of the screen. This section shows your conversation history, including recent chats you've had. Find the specific chat that you want to remove. You do not need to open the conversation itself to delete it, so you can stay right in the sidebar for this step. Next, move your mouse over the recent chat you want to delete. As you hover over that chat, additional options will appear. This is important because some controls stay hidden until your cursor is placed over the conversation. While you're hovering over the chat, you'll notice a three-dot menu next to it. This three-dot icon gives you more options for that specific conversation. Be sure you're selecting the menu next to the correct chat, especially if you have several conversations with similar titles. Once you've found the right one, click the three dots for the chat you want to delete. A small menu will open with available actions for that conversation. In that menu, click Delete. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to delete the chat. This is there to help prevent accidental removal, so take a quick second to confirm that you've selected the correct conversation. Then click Delete again to confirm. As soon as you do, that single chat will be removed from your chat history. One helpful tip is to read the chat title carefully before confirming, since deleting the conversation removes it from your list. If you're cleaning up several chats, it can also be easier to go one at a time so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. And that's it. That's how to delete a single chat in ChatGPT. Once you've done it once, the process is very fast and easy to repeat whenever you want to keep your chat list more organized.